Mix olive oil with these leaves and watch what happens. I did not believe it either, but it's true. We all know that laurel is a very good spice that has a special place in all the kitchens. Laurel oil is one of the most used in aromatherapy treatments for its sedative, digestive and diuretic properties, especially. It also constitutes a common component of antiseptic and anti-inflammatory creams of topical use for the skin, as well as perfumes and other cosmetics. Making it at home can be a very simple task if we know how. Keep reading this article and discover how to make bay oil. Benefits of bay leaves. Calms the nervous system. Strengthens the immune system. Reduces colon swelling. It increases and stimulates the sweating process. It is used for joint pains and treats varicose veins. Increases mental activity in general. Laurel oil recipe. 1. 35 grams of bay leaves. 2. 300 milliliters of olive oil. Preparation. 1. Grind the leaves with mortar or hands. 2. Crush until they release a light oil. 3. Must be dry leaves. 4. When they are well crushed, introduce them with the oil that they have released in an airtight container and cover with olive oil. 5. Then cover and let macerate 2 weeks in a cool and dry place. 6. After the time, the leaves must be changed by new ones so that the aroma intensifies, doing the same procedure. 7. Cover and leave for 2 more weeks. 8. Then glue this oil. You should do this with a cloth or cotton cloth. 9. Squeeze the cloth as much as possible, to retain as little oil as possible. Laurel oil as medicine. If necessary, you can warm it slightly to the fire. Rub the oil thoroughly into diseased joints. In addition to the treatment of the joints, laurel oil is also used for the treatment of migraine and ear diseases. If you have a severe headache, you can massage the oil into the temples. In this way,